Welcome back to TechVibe. If you have been on the fence about upgrading your camera gear, I need you to put your wallet away right now. Do not invest in a new full-frame system just yet, because Nikon is preparing to drop the absolute nuclear option on the APS-C market. For years, professional wildlife, aviation, and sports photographers have been begging Nikon for a true, uncompromising mirrorless successor to the legendary DSLR D500. The wait is officially coming to an end. The highly anticipated Nikon Z90, heavily rumored and affectionately known in the industry as the Mini Z9, is finally stepping out of the shadows, and the leaked specifications are absolutely mind-blowing. We are talking about flagship, professional-tier performance packed into a compact, agile crop sensor body that is going to completely disrupt the digital imaging industry in 2026. Stick around until the very end of this video, because the leaked pricing details and the projected release roadmap will make you rethink your entire approach to your camera setup. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest and most authentic tech drops, and let us dive straight into what makes the Nikon Z90 the most exciting and anticipated camera of the decade. Let us start with the absolute heart of this beast. The biggest revelation confirmed by multiple trusted supply chain sources is that the Nikon Z90 is rocking a brand new, cutting-edge 33-megapixel Stacked CMOS DX-Format Sensor. Why is the word stacked so incredibly crucial here? Well, if you have shot fast action with traditional APS-C cameras, you already know the absolute nightmare of rolling shutter. When you are panning fast to catch a falcon in mid-dive or a race car tearing down the track, a non-stacked sensor bends and warps your image, ruining an otherwise perfect shot. By implementing a 33-megapixel stack sensor in the Z90, Nikon is effectively eliminating rolling shutter for DX shooters. This means you get lightning-fast sensor readout speeds, allowing for pure, distortion-free images even at extreme frame rates. Furthermore, it gives you that absolute sweet spot of resolution. 33 megapixels provides an abundance of room to crop and tight on a distant subject in post-production while maintaining gorgeous, razor-sharp detail and stellar dynamic range. But the magic of this sensor does not stop at resolution and readout speed. We have to talk about the massive advantage of the APS-C, or DX, format itself. The 1.5x crop factor of the sensor natively multiplies your focal length, which is a massive cheat code for wildlife and sports photographers. This means your expensive, heavy 400mm full-frame lens instantly transforms into a massive 600mm equivalent just by mounting it on the Z90. It gives you the incredible reach you desperately need to fill the frame with your subject, without forcing you to spend $10,000 on exotic super telephoto prime glass, and without having to carry backbreaking gear through the wilderness. You get maximum reach, maximum resolution, and minimal weight, making it the perfect companion for long days out in the field. Of course, a phenomenal sensor is absolutely nothing without the brains to run it, and Nikon is not holding back. They are reportedly taking the APS-C processor straight out of the $5,000 flagship Z9 and transplanting it right into the Z90. This means you are getting top-tier, deep-learning artificial intelligence autofocus algorithms and Nikon's industry-leading 3D tracking capabilities. Imagine being out in the field at dawn. A bird takes flight from the brush, moving erratically across a busy background of trees and leaves. With the unparalleled power of the APS-C processor, the Z90's autofocus system will instantly recognize the bird, lock onto its eye, and track it seamlessly across the entire frame. The AI subject detection is not just limited to birds. It covers people, dogs, cats, cars, motorcycles, bicycles, trains, and planes. You literally just point the camera, and the Z90 does the heavy lifting, ensuring every single shot is perfectly, critically sharp. For professional action shooters who cannot afford to miss a once-in-a-lifetime moment, having this level of flagship autofocus in a lightweight body is completely unprecedented. Now, let us talk about pure, unadulterated speed, because this is where the Z90 is positioned to completely obliterate the competition, leaving cameras like the Canon R7 and Fujifilm X-H2S in the dust. The leaks indicate the Z90 will shoot a highly respectable 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter. But when you switch over to the electronic shutter, harnessing the full power of that incredible stack sensor, this camera can reportedly push up to an astonishing 120 frames per second, completely blackout-free. That is right. 120 full-resolution frames every single second. You will never miss a microsecond of the action. You will see your subject clearly and continuously in the electronic viewfinder the entire time, without the screen stuttering or going black between shots. To handle this massive, torrential downpour of data, the Z90 is engineered with professional storage solutions. You can expect dual card slots, including at least one CF Express Type B slot designed to clear the camera's buffer almost instantly. You can hold down the shutter and fire away, capturing RAW files at speeds that were strictly considered science fiction just a few short years ago. For the hybrid shooters and professional filmmakers out there, Nikon has certainly not forgotten about you. In fact, they are turning the Z90 into a serious, compact cinema weapon. Recent industry shifts, specifically Nikon's massive acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, strongly suggest that we are going to see incredible video upgrades trickling into this system. While it might not feature full internal 8K due to the sensor size constraints, the Z90 is fully expected to shoot stunning, uncropped 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, and push up to 120 frames per second for buttery smooth, cinematic slow motion. Better yet, we are hearing strong rumors regarding 10-bit internal recording, and potentially even compressed Redcode RAW or Nikon RAW internal video formats. This gives filmmakers and content creators Hollywood-grade color science and massive flexibility in post-production. You can push and pull colors, recover deep shadows, and roll off harsh highlights just like you would on a dedicated, high-end cinema camera. The inclusion of professional video assist tools like waveforms and zebras makes the Z90 an absolute hybrid powerhouse. Beyond the internal specifications, Nikon understands that its target demographic shoots in some of the harshest, most unforgiving conditions on Earth. The original D500 was known as an indestructible tank, and the Z90 continues that legendary durability. It features a rugged, fully weather-sealed magnesium alloy body that is designed to survive extreme dust, heavy moisture, and freezing temperatures. Whether you are trekking through a humid tropical rainforest or shooting on a snowy mountain peak, the Z90 will not quit on you. It also features top-of-the-line in-body image stabilization, offering up to 6 stops of compensation. This means you can shoot handheld at much slower shutter speeds in low light, keeping your ISO down and your images completely noise-free. Combine that world-class stabilization with the comfortable, deep, ergonomic grip that Nikon is famous for, and you have a camera that feels perfectly balanced in your hands. So, the ultimate question remains, when can you finally get your hands on this masterpiece, and how much damage is it going to do to your bank account? Originally expected to be announced earlier, insider supply chain information now points to an official release roadmap targeting late 2026. Nikon has been heavily focused on expanding their full-frame bodies, but the Z90 technology is finalized and waiting for its strategic moment in the market. As for the price, reliable leaks strongly suggest it will launch somewhere between $1,700 and $2,000. Let that incredible value proposition sink in for a moment. For under $2,000, you are getting a 33-megapixel stack sensor, 120 frames per second continuous shooting, X7 flagship AI autofocus, and pro-level red-influenced video features. It absolutely crushes the value of almost every other APS-C camera on the market today. If you shoot wildlife, sports, aviation, or just want a lightning-fast, premium hybrid camera without taking out a second mortgage on your home, the Nikon Z90 is undeniably the camera you have been waiting for. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in to TechVibe. If you found this deep dive helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you are the very first to know when the next big tech leak drops. Until next time, keep shooting, stay creative, and always stay ahead of the curve.